create stunning animation videos,
A lair. It's a temple.
UGC ads,
Okay, why is my skin actually glowing today?
and cinematic scenes using one of the most advanced models, Veo 3.1, without paying anything. In this video, I will walk you through it step by step, exactly how to access Veo 3.1 for free for a couple of generations. All you need is your Gmail, sign up once, and you're ready to start creating. But that's not all. You'll also get access to one of Google's most powerful image generators, Nano Banana 2, again, completely free. I will show you how to take a simple story idea and turn it into fully consistent character images, then expand it into complete story scenes that actually feel connected. Let's get started. Go to Google and search for Gemini Enterprise in the search bar and click on the first link. You will be directed to this page. Click on the 30-day free trial button to use Google Gemini. Simply enter your Gmail account, or you can use any temporary email, but I would recommend using Gmail to avoid any issues in the future. Now give it a name and click on the Continue button. Here you can see that our 30-day trial is now active without any complex settings. By clicking on this button, you can access Nano Banana 2 for images and the Veo 3.1 model for videos. Let's test the Veo 3.1 model first. Here, I have pasted a simple text prompt to generate a video of a man slowly walking through a foggy street while adjusting his coat collar in a cinematic style, with lighting, camera, and other details. Click on this button and wait for a couple of minutes. And here we have the output. The video quality looks good, with smooth camera movement and accurate scene details. And the best part is, the video does not have any watermark. Here we have another great result, a woman standing near a car door in heavy rain in a cinematic style with neon reflections. This result also looks good, with a low-angle dolly-in camera movement. Let's test this tool for animation videos. Here, I have pasted a text prompt to generate a video of a young girl standing near a train track at sunset in Studio Ghibli style, with soft pastel colors, a hand-painted background, warm golden light, gentle wind blowing through the grass, a dreamy atmosphere, and an anime cinematic composition. Look at this amazing output. Every detail is perfectly followed, and the background sound matches the scene well. Let's test this tool for UGC videos for product promotions. Here I have pasted a simple text prompt where a girl is applying a skincare product while looking into the mirror and smiling. I have added the style, lighting, camera, and other details. I have also included the dialogue text.
Okay, why is my skin actually glowing today? I didn't expect this.
And the result looks good, with clear narration and accurate scene details. Apart from videos, you can also generate consistent story images using one of the most advanced image generators called Nano Banana 2. Most people struggle with character and scene consistency, but by following this simple step-by-step process, you can generate consistent images just by providing a simple story idea and using this master prompt template. Head over to Google AI Studio and click on System Instructions on the right side. Paste this master prompt, where I have instructed the system to build a complete workflow for consistent image and video prompts. Save this template with a name. Then simply type "Hi" in the chat box and click the Run button. Within a few seconds, you will get 10 story ideas. You can select any of them. For this example, I will paste a story idea and ask it to generate a Studio Ghibli-style anime about a hunter tracking a mysterious creature across a frozen wasteland. The creature leaves behind trails that don't match any known animal, and the environment itself begins to change as he gets closer. By clicking the Run button, we get a short story summary. Simply type "Yes" to proceed further, or you can make changes as well. The entire story is then divided into 8 scenes, along with character details and a character sheet prompt in different angles. Now I will ask it to generate 10 shots with dialogue. And here we have a 10-shot sequence with character actions, image prompts, video prompts, dialogue, and sound effects. To start generating images, first, I will copy the character sheet prompt. Go back to the Gemini website. Select the Nano Banana 2 image model. Paste the prompt and generate the image. Here we have 4 different views of the character, which is important for maintaining consistency. Click on the download button to save your image. To generate scene images, simply upload the character sheet image. Copy the first scene prompt and paste it here. Here we have the first scene image, and you can see that the character remains consistent with the same clothing and appearance. Here are the images for the next scenes. You can use these images to generate videos by copying the video prompts and uploading the scene images. So, you can take full advantage of this free resource to create incredible content. What do you think about this tutorial? Share your thoughts in the comments section. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.